the appraisal came back and it's lower than the purchase price of the home. What are your options here as buyers and sellers? This is something that's really going on in today's market, but I want you to feel more comfortable when you're entering the home buying and selling process and know that you can totally overcome this. So today we're going to go over 5 solutions to a low appraisal. Now, as a buyer, if you're obtaining financing for your loan, the lender or bank is going to require that an appraisal gets done on the property. The reason that they do that is they want to ensure that they're not lending you more money than what the home is actually worth. So say you write an offer on a home for $200,000 and the appraisal comes back and it's only $190,000. The first option that you have as a buyer is you can cover that full $10,000 appraisal gap in cash. Now keep in mind that cash is separate from your down payment and from your closing cost. The second option that you have is you can see if the seller is willing to reduce the contract price and come down to that new appraised value. So in this instance, you write up an addendum to the purchase agreement, and now the new purchase price of the home is $190,000. In an instance where the seller does not want to come down the full amount and you don't want to come up out of pocket the full amount, you can see if you can meet in the middle. You as the buyer may only be coming out of pocket $5,000 now, and then the seller will reduce that purchase price from $200,000 to $195,000. So say that the seller won't budge on the purchase price at all, and you as the buyer don't want to come out of pocket that full $10,000, which is understandable. It is possible to cancel the contract and walk away. Now, assuming that all other terms of the contract have been followed and fulfilled, you will get your full deposit back, and then you're able to go search for your new home. So a question that I get asked quite often is it possible to challenge an appraisal? And the answer is yes, it is possible, but it is extremely rare and it's pretty challenging to do. You're going to look at the appraisal report and make sure that all information is correct. The square footage on the home, any attributes, updates, upgrades that may contribute to the value of the home. And then you're going to look at all of the comparables that the appraiser used. If somebody finds a comp that they believe to be more true to that specific property, you can submit that to the appraiser and see if they'll adjust the price. I hope you learned a thing or two about how to overcome a low appraisal, and just remember, all parties involved in these transactions are doing everything they can to make sure that both parties are happy and that the deal closes and you are now in your dream home. If you have any questions or would like me to elaborate in more depth on any of these solutions, please feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!